Hey, I'm back and here to show you how to use some of the inputs on the new control interface in the conference rooms. In our earlier series, I showed you how to actually switch between the different inputs and how to basically pull the display off the wall and put it back on the wall, and how to switch back and forth. This video is going to focus on how to actually use specific inputs. And this video, we're going to concentrate on how to connect to Microsoft Display and what that does. I've already connected, hit the button, and turned on the Microsoft Display input. So if you look over at your TV, you will see this. It says Microsoft, and also it has the label of the room that you're connecting to. In this case, it's Resource Room 105. Now, once this is all set up, you want to go to your laptop, and this specific video is for a Windows 10 computer. I'll have another video for people running Windows 8.1 on how to connect to this interface. So the first thing you want to do on your computer, if you're running Windows 10, is to press these two magical keys, the Windows key and the P button at the same time. This stands for projection. So if you hold down the Windows key and then stretch over here and hit the P button, you're going to see this interface pop up. You see you've got several options: PC screen only, duplicate, extend, second screen only, or connect to a wireless display. In this case, we want to choose connect to a wireless display. So click or touch, which most of you have touch screens, this option here. Now, when you do that, you're going to see these options pop up. It's going to give you a list of available displays to connect to. In different parts of the building, you're going to see different displays that are nearby. You want to click on the one that you want to specifically access. In this case, we're going to choose Resource Room 105, which is right here. So move your mouse and click on Resource Room 105. Just one click is fine. And then when you do that, look over at the TV and you will see it saying connecting to your computer name, which it just did. And then voila, you are now mirroring your screen with your laptop. So if I move my mouse around right here, the same thing happens over here. So this option right here allows you to mirror the screen identically. Now you also have the option where you can extend the screen. Keep in mind, this is just like a physical monitor that you would have at your desk, and the only difference is you're broadcasting things wirelessly. So if you want to, just like at your desk, you can have dual screen and actually extend it. And that's what we're going to do next. So we want to click on the Windows key and the P button at the same time, Windows P, and it brings up these options here again. You can see right now it's set to duplicate. We want to choose extend like this. Hit the down arrow key or click or tap the extend button, and then it'll extend. Now you're going to see you've got two screens. If you move your mouse here, you're not going to see the mouse here. What you want to do is you want to move your mouse over to the left. Whoops, actually you've got to change your orientation. Let me show you one more thing. Here in the blank screen area, you want to click on display settings, and now you're going to see your two screens. This is your primary screen, this is the wireless screen. Since it's to your left, we actually want to move it to our left. Now I guess if you're sitting on the other side of the table, it would just work, but since I'm in this orientation, we have to do this. So once you're done doing that, you want to scroll down here and then you want to hit apply. Moving down. And then hit the apply button. Now after we do that, now I should be able to move the mouse from over here to the left, and it should show up on the screen right here. Now once you've done that, if you want to present materials, it's quite simple. You just like with your dual screens, you will grab whatever content that you want. And for example, let's just pull up a File Explorer here. Oops, it automatically came up here. But you can actually move it back and forth to each screen. You can minimize it. And you can actually move it over here if you want to. Now again, this is an option for you. Some of you would prefer just to use a mirrored screen or a duplicate screen, and that's fine. If you want to go back to it, you just hit the Windows button and the P button, and then you just tap on duplicate again. You like the sound effect? And now we're back to duplication. So that is how you use the Microsoft Wireless Display in the conference rooms. Again, this is available in room 105, 104, 101, and 106. And if you have any problems, just let us know. There are some minor configurations we have to do with some of the laptops here on site. So if you have problems doing it the first time, don't hesitate to ask us. We'll come over and do our nerd thing and get you all set up, and you'll be wirelessly projecting and having some fun. So again, if you need anything else, don't hesitate to call us. Thanks.